Hi there. If you go to gemini.google.com, what you'll notice is that there is a splash screen that Google is showing stating that their image model, Imagen 4, is now ready. That means now that you can generate richer images, text capabilities inside of Gemini. We're going to click Try Now. What you'll notice now is that you can ask Gemini to create a specific image, and that image can be with text. We are going to write in our query. We're then going to click Enter, and you'll notice now that Gemini is now creating our image. Our image is now created. We can click on top of the image and we can analyze the image. We can then download the image to our hard drive, and now the enhanced image is now available on our hard drive. So you can now use Imagen 4 with increased ability to get text right in the images that you create, and you can try this inside of GeminiGoogle.com. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.